Okay, CES 2026. Today I got something that is pretty interesting to me. I'm looking at NanoFlowX. This is Jazer. What do you got going on here?
Here at NanoFlowX, we're actually a nano coating company. What we do basically is we help weatherize and waterproof all sorts of different electronics, everything from consumer electronics, aviation. We've been doing a lot of drones recently. In the past couple of years, we've been doing a lot of defense work as well. And our process is really different compared to traditional methods. Some traditional methods are like conformal coatings and parylene, and a lot of those coatings are really expensive. They require you to get like hundreds of thousands of dollars on machinery. They take a lot of time to apply. You got to mask certain connectors because coatings have to be sprayed, and those connectors cannot have any sort of coating get on them because then they won't work. But what makes our solution unique is you could pretty much submerge into our solution, and without having to mask, you just simply tip for 5 seconds, and then the next step would be applying heat at 80 degrees Celsius for roughly 5 minutes, and then the heat is what cures the coating onto the surface of the board so that then it's ready to be applied to the next step of the assembly process. We're a lot faster to apply, we're more durable, and we're a fraction of the cost, and we help make electronics IP68 rated so that they can be submerged in a meter of water for up to 1 hour and nothing will happen to them. So it's a pretty neat, it's good protection, and we help a lot of electronics manufacturers meet the warranty claims as well. So we're pretty unique here. We've been making some shockwaves around CES. We actually have 2 booths this year, so it's been really a great show for us. And this is our 7th year now doing this show, and it's been a great success.
I like that. Okay, so NanoFlowX, this, you said you could submerge the entire thing, including the connectors, and it's still able to make a good contact with that? How is that possible?
So our coating solution is really, really thin. We have a wide variety of them, but they're up to 100 nanometers thin to 500 nanometers thin, and we have some that are 1 micron, 4 microns as well. It all just depends on what type of electronics you're working with, whether they are indoor, whether they're outdoor, whether they're in really corrosive environments like near the ocean. That will require something with a thicker coating, kind of like our V3 or V4. Our most common would be our V2, which is used a lot across consumer electronics, such as phones, tablets, smartwatches, toothbrushes even. It's a good application, and it really helps increase the lifespan of electronics as well. So
that's smart. I mean, one of the things that I immediately thought of when I saw this was flashlights. Most of the time when you get a flashlight, they say it's IP68 rated, but the reality is it's just rated that because you got rubber seals that's protecting everything. With this, you could literally coat the entire inside of a flashlight and you'd still be good to go.
Exactly, and you know, a lot of electronics manufacturers, they have those seals like you mentioned, and they fail because they deteriorate over time. And even, for example, some phones out there, they're glued on. And sometimes when your screen gets messed up, a cell phone repair shop pull apart the screen, they put a new one, and when they place the new one back on, it doesn't have that original seal and kind of glue from the manufacturer where they say it's IP68. Your phones don't become waterproof all of a sudden, So, but this, a primary method of getting IP68 and also a secondary method of getting that IP68 in case those seals fail.
Yeah, that makes total sense. I love this stuff. That's great. And we can even see we got a little rain bath going on a motherboard and on a drone and on a phone. This is some very great stuff. I'm looking forward to seeing more of that. Thank you very much. It's been an excellent interview.
Appreciate it. Thank you for your time.
Right on.
Thank you for watching. Appreciate it.